Welcome back. This is Cecilia Marlowe with your Home Loan Partners, a top producing team within Pan American Mortgage. We are so excited that you've decided to share your journey to homeownership with us. So today, we're going to share with you what happens after you have a signed contract. So let's jump right in. Number 1. Continue to pay all of your bills on time. Do not apply for or accept any new credit during the mortgage process. Some insurance companies may pull your credit report to determine your qualification for your homeowner's insurance rates. However, whatever decision your insurance agent makes, this will not reflect negatively on your mortgage application. In addition, be sure to manage your checking account wisely. Underwriters do not want to see return checks on your bank statements. Number 2. After your contract has been accepted, submit your earnest money. Customarily, this will be $1,000, and it is applied to your down payment. This should be in the form of a cashier's check from your bank, which is then easily verified by our processing department. Please be sure to fax a copy of the earnest money check and your contract to our office as soon as your offer is accepted. Number 3. Your appraisal will be ordered through our appraisal management company. You can pay with a Visa or debit card. If you're purchasing a multi-unit or commercial property, please note that the fee may be a little bit higher. Customarily, on an FHA or conventional purchase, your appraisal fee will range between $350 and $400. Number 4. Contact your attorney and let him or her know when your anticipated closing date will take place. Also be sure that he or she reviews your contract to ensure that you are aware of everything that you have agreed to and that it's been stated accurately. Number 5. Work with us very closely to ensure that you submitted all of the required documentation for your mortgage application. Be sure to send us updated pay stubs and bank statements as you receive them. Once your loan is fully approved with our lender, we will then issue you conditions of satisfaction to make sure we make it to the closing table. Be sure that you get your conditions to us within 72 business hours. Number 6. If you will receive a gift from a relative as a source of funds to close, the following documentation must be met. Number 1. The donor must withdraw the money from his or her bank account and provide us with a copy of that bank statement showing that the funds were actually there, as well as a withdrawal slip from the bank to document that they withdrawn the money to then give to you. Number 2, you must then deposit the funds into your account and provide us with a copy of your bank statement showing that the funds have been deposited. Remember, anytime that you get a printout of your account from your bank, it must be signed, stamped, and dated by a bank representative. Next, you're going to contact your insurance company to ensure that you get a quote for your homeowner's insurance. Your insurance agent will need specific information about the property. You will submit payment to your insurance agent for the first year's premium in advance. Approximately, that will be 5 days before closing. You will then fax proof of payment to our office. This amount can range anywhere from $700 to $1,200 depending upon the purchase price, location, and the type of property that you are acquiring. Don't forget to bring your insurance binder to closing as well. Finally, you're going to confirm the amount that you need to bring to closing with your attorney. In most cases, your attorney should have figures available the day before or the day of closing. Don't worry if you bring too much money. The title company will issue you a refund in the form of a cashier's check before leaving. Now remember, your closing funds should be in the form of a cashier's check made payable to yourself, and it should also be from yourself. Cash, personal checks, and money orders are not acceptable forms of payment for real estate closings. Finally, you're going to show up to the closing with a valid state ID or driver's license. Please be sure that you're on time. If you're married and your spouse has not been approved for the mortgage, they still must attend that closing. They will also need a valid driver's license or state ID so that they can sign proper documentation as well. We are so excited to be sharing this journey with you. We look forward to sharing more information with you in the future. But more importantly, we look forward to seeing you at a closing table very soon. Thanks so much.